In the vast and ever-evolving realm of technology, a new dawn has arrived. We stand at the cusp of a revolution, powered by artificial intelligence. This is not just another step forward, it is a leap into uncharted territory. This is AIRIS. AIRIS stands for Autonomous Intelligent Real-Time Information System. It is more than just an algorithm or a program. AIRIS represents a fundamental shift in how we interact with machines. It learns, it adapts, it evolves. Imagine a world where machines can learn and think for themselves. This is the promise of AIRIS, a self-learning AI poised to redefine our understanding of intelligence itself. AIRIS is not bound by the limitations of pre-programmed responses. It can analyze data, identify patterns, and make decisions all without human intervention. The potential applications of AIRIS are staggering. From revolutionizing healthcare to transforming transportation, the possibilities are limitless. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of AIRIS is its potential to unlock the secrets of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. For decades, artificial intelligence has been confined to the realm of science fiction. But today, that fiction is becoming reality. Self-learning AI, like AIRIS, is rapidly changing the landscape of what's possible. It is time to reimagine our world with AI at its center. Traditional AI systems rely on massive data sets carefully labeled by human engineers. These systems excel at specific tasks but struggle to adapt to new situations or learn from unstructured data. Self-learning AI breaks free from these constraints. AIRIS, as a self-learning AI, can process vast amounts of unlabeled data, identifying patterns and making connections that would elude even the most skilled human analysts. This ability to learn autonomously is what sets AIRIS apart. This is not merely an incremental improvement, it is a paradigm shift. Self-learning AI is not just faster or more efficient, it is fundamentally different. It represents a new kind of intelligence, one that is not bound by the limitations of human programming. The advantages of self-learning AI are manifold. First and foremost is its unparalleled efficiency. Traditional AI systems require enormous amounts of time and resources to train. Self-learning systems, on the other hand, can learn on the fly, adapting to new information and refining their models in real time. This adaptability is another key advantage. In a world of constant change and unforeseen challenges, the ability to learn and adapt is paramount. Self-learning AI systems can evolve alongside our changing world, ensuring their continued relevance and effectiveness. Furthermore, self-learning AI excels in situations where data is scarce or difficult to obtain. Traditional AI systems require massive datasets to function effectively. Self-learning systems, however, can learn from limited information, making them ideal for applications in fields like medicine and scientific research. The digital age has brought about unprecedented connectivity and convenience, but it has also ushered in a new era of cyber threats. From sophisticated malware to targeted data breaches, the risks are real and constantly evolving. AIRIS offers a powerful solution. Imagine a cybersecurity system that can learn from past attacks, predict future threats, and autonomously defend against intrusions. This is the promise of AIRIS in the realm of cybersecurity. AIRIS can analyze network traffic, identify anomalies, and neutralize threats before they can cause harm. It can learn from each attack, constantly refining its defenses and staying one step ahead of even the most determined cyber criminals. This is not just about reacting to threats, it is about anticipating them. Section 5. Self-learning AI shaping our world. Self-learning AI is not just a futuristic concept, it is already shaping our world in profound ways. From the personalized recommendations we receive on streaming platforms, to the advanced driver assistance systems in our cars, self-learning AI is all around us. Consider the field of medicine. Self-learning AI is being used to develop new drugs, diagnose diseases with greater accuracy, and even personalize treatment plans for individual patients. The potential to improve healthcare outcomes is immense. In the realm of finance, self-learning AI is being used to detect fraud, manage risk, and optimize investments. These systems can analyze vast amounts of financial data, identifying patterns and making predictions that would be impossible for human analysts to discern. Section 6. The foundation of self-learning, machine learning, deep learning, and reinforcement learning. The power of self-learning AI rests upon three fundamental pillars: machine learning, deep learning, and reinforcement learning. These interconnected fields form the foundation upon which AIRIS and other self-learning systems are built. Machine learning, as the name suggests, involves training machines to learn from data. Instead of being explicitly programmed, these algorithms learn to identify patterns and make predictions based on the data they are fed. Deep learning takes machine learning to the next level by utilizing artificial neural networks. These networks, inspired by the structure of the human brain, can process vast amounts of unstructured data, such as images, text, and audio. Reinforcement learning focuses on training AI agents to make decisions in complex environments. These agents learn through trial and error, receiving rewards for desired actions and penalties for undesirable ones. Section 7. The evolution of self-learning. A journey of continuous improvement. Self-learning AI is not a static technology. It is constantly evolving. As these systems are exposed to more data and encounter new challenges, they learn and adapt, becoming more sophisticated and capable over time. This process of continuous improvement is driven by the very nature of self-learning algorithms. Unlike traditional AI systems, which are limited by their initial programming, self-learning systems can continue to learn and evolve throughout their lifespan. This constant evolution is essential for self-learning AI to reach its full potential. As these systems become more advanced, they will be able to tackle increasingly complex tasks and solve problems that have long eluded human ingenuity. Section 8. Trial and error, the heart of self-learning. At the heart of self-learning, AI lies a simple yet profound concept: trial and error. Just as humans learn from their mistakes, self-learning AI systems refine their models through a continuous process of experimentation and feedback. This process begins with an initial model, which is then exposed to data. The model makes predictions or takes actions based on this data, and the outcomes are then used to adjust the model's parameters. This iterative process continues, with the model constantly refining its understanding of the data and improving its performance over time. It is through this relentless pursuit of improvement that self-learning AI systems achieve their remarkable capabilities. Section 9. AIRIS and the Path to AGI, a glimpse into the future. The development of AIRIS represents a significant step towards the realization of artificial general intelligence, AGI. AGI, often referred to as strong AI, refers to hypothetical AI systems that possess the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, much like humans do. AIRIS, with its self-learning capabilities, adaptability, and capacity for continuous learning, embodies many of the characteristics that are thought to be essential for AGI. While AGI remains a distant goal, AIRIS provides a tantalizing glimpse into what the future may hold. As we continue to develop and refine AIRIS, we must proceed with caution and foresight. The potential benefits of AGI are immense, but so too are the risks. It is imperative that we consider the ethical implications of creating machines with human-level intelligence and ensure that these technologies are developed and used responsibly. The journey towards AGI is fraught with challenges and uncertainties, but one thing is certain: the future of AI is bright, and AIRIS is leading the way.